Hi everyone, welcome. Today is beautiful Saturday and I'm doing the RBID tour of home for the beautiful home in this city of Whittier. Just let you know that we don't normally do the traditional open house like other agents do, that they gonna open 3 to 5 hours, sit there and waiting for one in a buyer to the other or the other neighbor who come to see the house. What we do differently in RBID is we bring all the buyers that are more qualified, financially ready, willing, and able to this beautiful home and making the tour and then submit offers. If you are interested in submitting offer, let's call the number on the screen. Thank you.
Think about it. How does it benefit the consumers when the owner of the house thinking of selling their home today, when they hire a real estate agent, the traditional real estate model, all the agents do put a for sale sign in front of the house and passively waiting for the buyers to come in. Right? Think about it. If you're selling your home, you hire me. How do you feel if all I do put a for sale sign in front of your house and waiting passively on an hour's open house, kick you out of your own home and waiting for buyers to come in? So that's the reason why at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, we redefine that, we change how real estate industry works. So when the consumers, when the owner of the house hire our team to sell their home, right now in my database, we already have over 45,000 buyers ready, willing, and able to buy, looking to buy homes right now.